welcome back to another video. My name is Aliza Ta'Leah. Hey, look, that's not even my intro. Welcome back to another video. My name is Aliza, if you didn't know. So I'm hitting y'all with another review video. Why is my necklace doing that? Hitting y'all with another review video. I got some more Crocs. I had gotten these Crocs around the same time I got those Converse that I just, around the same time I got those Converse, those platform little Converses. I did a video on those. Got those around the same time. So get your life together. So this is the box that it came in. Now this box is a little different from my other Croc video. Other Croc box. The Croc box, it had like a little flip and and it hang outside of the box. But this, it got like a little tucky thing. Golly. And as you see by the thumbnail, this is how they look. I got the white ones. Okay, so let's talk about price and how much it was. I'm gonna tell y'all my size and stuff like that, and like what size you should get if you are the same size as me. If you need help with if you need help with picking a size and you're not really sure, just comment down below and y'all know I'll help you. I'll be seeing y'all comments and I reply like that. I'll be commenting on my other review videos and I'll be commenting back like that on what size y'all should get and stuff like that. So I'm very helpful and I do not mind. I got these shoes from, where did I get these shoes from? Oh my god, my light just died. Let me plug my light up so it can be a little brighter. I'll be back. Okay, I plugged my light and stuff back up. I'm gonna put the price on the screen. That's what I'm gonna do. The shoes were $32.99. I forgot to add this in the video. The original price for the shoes, well, the Crocs, was $44.99. Like I said in my other videos, DSW give you like $10 off, $25 off. They give you a lot of coupons, so I ended up getting them for $32 instead of like $45. So make sure you shop with DSW, guys. Okay, let's talk about the size. I got a size woman in 8, and size 6 in men. And let me just tell you, they do fit a little different from my regular size 8 Crocs. So they are a little more snugged, because they have fur in the inside and because it is a size 8. But my other Crocs, they don't fit snug because it doesn't have fur in the inside. But the fur takes up a little more room, but it is not like it's too little to the point where I can't fit it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got a little room back. I got a little room back there, you know. See that? I got a little room. So it fits good. I really don't feel like turning the camera around to show you how they fit, but I'm just gonna do it like this, and then I'm gonna put them on like this, and they fit, and they feel so comfortable. I'm gonna put on some thicker socks to show you how they fit, how much room I got. I'm just gonna tell you now, when you put thick socks on, you're not gonna have no room left. Like in your other Crocs, you would probably have a little room left. You won't have no room left in these. They're really comfortable. I have not worn them yet, but I have like stuck my feet in a couple times. You know what I'm saying? When they get dirty, because I know they will probably get dirty, it takes a little minute for my shoes to get dirty, but when they do get dirty in the inside, I'm gonna do a video on how to clean the inside of them. I already know how to clean the inside of them because I've been watching videos and stuff like that. I was trying to find my other thick sock that's a little thicker than this, but I don't know, they probably in my dirty clothes, and I'm not gonna go through that. So let me scoot back some. Okay, put my feet in it, so I got fur in the inside and I got like a little furry sock on. And I'm gonna stick my feet all the way in, and that's how much room I got left. None. None. Literally none. My feet is literally at the end. No room left. It's like a little bit, but my feet is not gonna be, like, my toes is literally touching on top of the shoe. But when I do it like this, my toes not touching on top of the shoe, and it's comfortable, but I have no room left. And you know, when you pull down this little latch, like this little thing, it pushes your ankle up because look, so it's gonna force your feet to go a little further. So I'm gonna show y'all how I look with that on, and I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel. Alright, so this how it looks. It's still, my feet is still literally still back there. So, but it's still comfortable. My toe is touching the top just a little bit, but it's not like super bad. Good guys, I almost forgot. I was gonna put some charms on my Crocs. Now I got these little charms that go on the Crocs. I want to get those type of charms with the little Chanel charms and the little gold little dangly ones, but I got these off of AliExpress like a long time ago. All right, here go the charms. I'm gonna turn the camera around for y'all. So I'm gonna start my name from here, A-L-I-Z-A, like that. Just pop them in there. Yeah, I kind of wish they were a little smaller, cause like it run into each other like that, you know. And I wish they would let me pick what color I wanted. All these random colors. Anyway, go. Dang, this one won't go in. There you go. And then A. At least those two the same and these two the same. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. Should I put that on top? Cherry on top. Cherry on top. I'm gonna put this one on top. Yay! So cute, so cute. And I only got these two left, so I'm just probably gonna. I'm trying to see. Butterfly. I'll just put this one here. Yay! So cute, so cute. Okay, so I decorated my Crocs. So, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment with us what size you wear if you need help with picking a size, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Help me get to 300 subs, and then I can get to 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and be at 1K finally, and I'll be monetized. So yeah, that's all for this video. Stay blessed nevertheless. No, I don't like that. Let me do that again. So that's all for this video. Stay blessed nevertheless.